Who's excited?
Me! Guys, we're going to Bell and we're gonna have fun. Abracadabra! Where'd he go?
Davey, wait, look what happened!
That's creepy!
You can find good in everything.
All right, you guys, we had a great time at Clamor and we are heading now to Anaheim and we are going to stay at the Great Wolf Lodge and then do a little, you know what, we're gonna spend most of our time at the lodge actually because I've heard it's so much fun, and then we're gonna do one day at Disney. So I'm actually excited just to get to the Great Wolf Lodge today and just relax and play in the things they have there because I've heard that they have some pretty amazing stuff.
Guys, look at that.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Those slides go out of the building.
God
Look at the paw prints.
Okay, I'm gonna want to just stay here. I don't even know if we're gonna want to go to Disney.
Great Wolf Lodge. I am excited. Who's excited? Okay, Zade, here's your paw pass. This is your ticket to fun. Grab one.
Yes.
Paw pass for Paola. Paw pass. Paw pass. Yeah, I think they're just for the kiddos. Look what you get on the paw pass. A Build-A-Bear, Northern Lights Arcade. One serving of candy, Paola.
What? One shot,
One
Daddy?
serving of select bulk candy. One pair of swim goggles. Swim goggles. What else? A tattoo, glitter tattoo. One souvenir.
Wow,
This is
that's
your
awesome.
ticket to happiness. You finally found it.
Goggles.
got a You get goggles and candy and glitter tattoo
a blanket.
and a furry friend.
Hello guys, what's up? We're here in California at the Great Wolf Lodge and it's the room right here. We're gonna do a tour. Happy birthday! Your wristbands. Open the door. Anyway, this is the sink. We got some soaps. And then the bathroom. The toilet, towels, and a shower. Okay, and now we have like another room here for April and Davey and probably more kids. Oh wait, no. So yeah, we have the bed. It's probably the master bedroom. And now let's see the view. Whoa, that's cool. That's our view. Magazines, remotes. And there's a couch and a table. There's a couch. A table. Bed. Yeah, so like 6 kids are gonna sleep here.
Paula, this is for you. Yep, happy birthday. We haven't put it on you.
Happy birthday to you.
It's your birthday this month. I'll put one on there for you.
Happy birthday, dear Paulita Lolo.
Happy birthday.
Because she kept saying, why is there a sign there?
Wow, you guys, you love it? This is nice and cozy.
We also noticed
Love
This
it.
is nice.
Okay, this is the best double suite I've ever seen. Parents by themselves, kids figuring things out over there. So here we are at the Great Wolf Lodge and she'll be playing with a pen.
The rest of the day.
Evie, I don't think you know what's out.
I love that they put the room key in the wristband so I can just get in my room. Fantastic. I'm gonna go play. Davey can catch up to us later. I want to see what this place has to offer.
Guys, we're going to Bell and we're gonna have fun. Yeah.
Okay, Daisy's okay. Whoa, Daisy. Whoa.
What?
Is this like a kid in a candy shop?
Yes, it is.
This is like a kid in a candy shop. Okay, Evie, let me help you.
Oh, Davey, you got shark fins. You want some eggs?
Yeah, eggs too. And
Eggs are good for you.
these too.
You got a little bit of room left.
Yeah.
Got some little bitty baby gummies.
Yeah.
Little bitty, they're
Oh, they're so baby and little. P-Dog.
They want to see.
That doesn't even look like P-Dog.
I don't know, Davey. You're
It looks
so
like a
bad.
dog wrote it.
Yeah. And if the bulk candy doesn't have anything that you're liking, then
The
they have
chicken
chicken feet.
The
Or
giant
candy
gummy
smooches.
stick.
Or gummy. Oh my gosh, look at all these fun candies.
Ooh, Dr. Pepper licorice. I've never even seen that one.
I've tried that before. It's good.
Are these friendship bracelets? What are of these. I think that would be so cool. But Paula needs a friend. Can we find Paula a friend?
Paula, you can be our friend.
Oh.
Are you sure? Yeah.
Do you like rainbows and unicorns?
Yeah.
Okay, first wristband is. Ow, how'd you get through the line so fast, Mr. Ender? Let's see it. Oh my.
I didn't even go in the line.
What?
I was the first one.
Huh. You want to try to pull the sword out of the stone?
I want to, Daddy.
Okay, let's try it. Only those who are worthy can remove the sword. Cool. Are you even trying?
Yes, I'm fine.
You could be the king. Oh, Amber got a little further. She might be worthy. Oh my goodness.
Daddy, you
Pull! You have to do the ugly face. You have to go. Yeah, that's a good ugly.
I got it.
Oh. Oh my goodness. She might be it. This might be the one. She might be the one. Oh, she's giving up. She's losing
No,
hope.
I'm not. Can I?
Pull! Let's see the ugly face.
Ender, let's both try.
Ender, uglier face. Uglier. Come on, pull.
No.
Man.
So Daddy's going to try to lift the sword out of the wall. Let's see how it goes.
Ah! Ah!
Okay, Dad failed.
Wait, what?
It was a fake. There was a spring attached to
No
the
way.
end.
It's a real sword.
It's not. It's not. It's a fake.
It wouldn't let it go further than
Take
whatever.
off the spring and let's pull it out. Okay, we're here to get the magical wands. Ender, do you think these are real magic? What do you think, Evie? Are these magical? Yeah? No? So we've got all these options. Unicorns,
Unicorn horn.
scary guy, tiara.
Unicorn.
What does Evie choose?
I got
The creepy guy.
The creepy guy. Ender's going for the dragon. Ambree, what are you going for? Ooh, the magical unicorn.
I like that one. It matches your wand.
We're on our quest. Get it, Evie. Cast it. No, don't hit it. Don't hit it. Just, Okay, it's working. Follow them. Go over there, Evie. Go follow. Go, go, go. Evie just opened only a match. Let's see if Evie can open it.
You have found 50 gold hidden in my vault.
50 gold, Evie?
50 So what do we
Where do we go next?
Only a master magi can open this chest.
Are you a master magi?
You have found 50
Are you a master magi?
I just opened it.
Evie, what just happened?
Mine does magic dot on that book.
Okay, let's go over here. Run.
You've already completed this task.
You've already completed it. Why don't you just tell me the number you want to dial? What TV show is that? Evie, this is so fun with all these spells.
Abracadabra! Where did he go?
Hidden behind the shield.
Oh, okay, let's bring it back, you guys. 1, 2, 3. Abracadabra!
Oh!
Yay!
You guys! Not even kidding, I was in Disneyland.
What? What?
It was so fun. We were there for 3 hours. Okay, and then they're saying, what have you done?
A lot.
How did you do it? What was the secret? What did he do?
He just kept doing that. He cheated it. Yeah, it's like a really
You
easy.
cheated?
I did not cheat.
No.
I didn't cheat. I played the game. Yeah, he actually played the game for real. He played fair, but there's an easier way to get it.
EP, what's the matter?
What's wrong? What do you want to do? You want to pet Ella puppy? But she's at home. Sometimes digging it up, I can like feel the.
You don't want to go to the mainland tomorrow?
I just feel so confident. Oh, we'll come back. And like, I don't need to. You know, I don't know. Like, I really. Should I fly her home to pet Ella puppy and then come back?
EP, we can't go home yet, okay?
It's only an hour flight, honey.
I'm so sorry.
You are, and it's okay. Like, I accept. Listen, if we fly home, we're not coming back. Because it's too much money.
I promise.
I just also have to like
I'll come back.
understand. You know, I feel like I have a really good mental. I'm in a good mental space. But it is still.
Okay, so EP has agreed. We're gonna go play what game?
Stinky spot.
There's a stinky foot game, and then we're gonna go play with find a puppy. We're gonna find a puppy. So you okay if we don't go home and pet Ella? We can't fly home yet, okay?
Yeah.
You okay? Okay, let's go to stinky foot game. Give him a thumbs up. Say, I'm doing okay, guys.
I'm doing okay, guys. So bye.
Okay, we're gonna go play.
Say gotta buy some. And make sure you get one of these cards.
One of those cards, yeah. What else? What else should they do?
And make sure you get some sparkly blue hair.
Like this. Like EB's sparkly blue hair. Okay, here's the stinky feet game. Okay, sit up on here. Okay, what are we gonna try to do? You wanna squirt his feet?
Yeah.
Clean them off? Okay, here we go. Evie, wait, look what happened! Is this the best day ever?
Yeah.
Oh, what is happening right now? Jackpot! Okay, let's go buy something now. Come on. You can get a snake to scare Mom. Should we do that?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do the snake, the little yellow snake. Oh, we're gonna scare her good. Should we go scare her?
Yeah. This is the best day ever. I got snake.
Oh, we're gonna go scare Mom.
Yeah.
That sound good? Okay, we've got the pink hand. Ooh, that's nice. And the snake. Let's go get Mama. Sneak, you gotta sneak. Sneak, sneak. Okay, keep going. Keep going. Get her.
What is it? Oh my god. That's creepy! Get out of here! That is so creepy. That's a club?
Baby, you got her.
That is the worst.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's Daisy's favorite thing. Dance party! Let's go! Okay, so I think Zade's swimming. We're gonna be swimming a lot more later, but I actually haven't even seen this yet down here, but it looks like they've got a wave pool, water park, tons of fun stuff. I think Zade might be down here, I don't even know, but I wanted to check it out and show you guys. All right, we're just in time. That was Brock in Boston. I don't know if it was Brock or Boston, but Zade's gonna give it a try now. Okay guys, that does it for today. I don't know where my family is. I went down to find Zade, but Great Wolf Lodge, awesome, approved. Orgill approved. Great place to stay when you're really close to Disneyland. It's a super fun place to stay. We totally approve. Great place. Okay, thanks for watching. We got lots of fun stuff coming tomorrow. See ya.